today's video we will fix the KitchenAid dishwasher soap dispenser. No opening, leaking and not closing fix. So the fix one, you can check if the dispenser is blocked. Open the dishwasher door, look at the soap dispenser cup, then remove any hardened detergent or drips and wipe the area with a damp cloth and close it and test a wash cycle. Fix 2, you can make sure nothing is blocking the door. Pull out the bottom rack. Then you can check if the large plates or pans are blocking the dispenser door, and then rearrange the dishes so the dispenser can open freely. Then you can run the dispenser again to test. Now we move to our fix 3. Clean the dispenser latch. Open the dispenser door by hand, then check if it feels stuck or tight. After that, clean around the latch area with the warm water and a soft brush, and make sure it clicks properly when you lose it, and try another wash cycle. Goodbye.